So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great and fine. So as I have told in my previous video that I will share some important points related to how to do preparation for CMA campus placement. So in this video we will discuss in detail, for example, which are the topics you have to cover for preparing for the campus placement. So here I have mentioned accounting, finance, taxation, costing, budget, and other things, that is banking industry. You have to prepare all the points, but you are not required to do deep analysis of all the points, but you have to prepare some points. So which are the points you have to do in account, finance, tax, cost and budget and banking? So all the things I will definitely share in this video. So the video may be a somewhat long, but you have to watch the video till end so that you will get an idea about how to do preparation. So first thing is you have to prepare. If you are not doing preparation and without preparation you are going for the campus placement, it will not be fruitful. So you have to definitely do somewhat preparation. So what are the points you have to cover? I will discuss for each and every topic. So now let's start. So here I am starting with the financial accounting, but before starting I have invested my time to prepare all the things, and you have to invest only 1 minute to share this video so that I will get motivated and I will definitely share. I will make a further videos on all the topics. So now let's start with the financial accounting. So in financial accounting, study note number 1 of CMA foundation is very important, because from study note number 1 they may ask about lots of questions. For example, cash book, why cash book, lots of questions that may be based on the cash book. Second question is like what is the difference between reserve and provision? What do you mean by contingent liability? What is the accounting treatment of prepaid expense? Why prepaid expense is called as a asset? So all that kind of questions they may ask in the interview, like what is the advantage of the bank reconciliation statements? That kind of questions they may ask in the interview. So according to me, in technical round, even if in technical round, study note number 1 of CMA foundation is very important. So you have to prepare all the things that is mentioned in the foundation. You are not required to think that all the things mentioned in study note number 1 is easy and we can clear all the things in interview. So that is not correct way. You have to at least go through with once you have to go through with study note number 1. Second important point in financial accounting is Ind AS and AS. So both the things are important. In Ind AS, which are the important Ind AS you have to do? For example, Ind AS 32, Ind AS on borrowing cost, that are the important study Ind AS you have to do. After that, Ind AS 115, Ind AS 116, that is recently introduced Ind AS 116, that is Ind AS on lease. So that kind of Ind AS you have to prepare. For example, next question that may be based on the Ind AS is what is the difference between Ind AS and AS? What is the difference between Ind AS and IFRS? Why? For example, from which date Ind AS is applicable on the banking industry? That kind of questions they may ask on the interview, definitely. For example, Ind AS 116 is recently inserted. So that there may be a question about Ind AS 116, that what is the difference between old Ind AS on lease and what is the difference between new Ind AS on the lease? So that kind of questions they may ask in the interview. So you have to prepare on the Ind AS as well as AS. So you have to go through with only once of the basic things of Ind AS and AS. So that is the point. I have explained all the things with examples so that you will get a clear idea. I am not sharing here exact questions they may ask in the interview, but I am giving you some brief idea so that accordingly you can prepare. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. Next point is finance department, that is basics of finance. So you have to prepare. First important thing is capital budgeting. For example, in capital budgeting they may ask you about what is the difference between IRR and the NPV method. So that kind of basic questions they may ask. Second question they may ask is on, for example, the intermediate cash flows are invested at what rate in IRR and what rate in the NPV. So that kind of basic questions they may ask. Third question is what is the disadvantage of the IRR? So that kind of questions they may ask. So as I have already told, I am not giving you that questions that may be asked in the interview, but I am giving you just highlights of the interview process and interview questions. So you have to prepare accordingly. Next point is, and that is most important, ratios and time value of money, because most of the questions you have to face from ratio. For example, what do you mean by capital ratio, working capital ratio, NPV, net profit ratio, and you have to understand the interpretation of the each and every ratio. So that may be also question from the ratio in the interview, so you have to prepare. Next point is time value of money. That is the basic thing you have to prepare. Next point is about the dividend policy. So lots of questions may be in interview about dividend policy, why dividend policy is important. According to, they may give you a case study. In that case study, what you have to decide whether we have to give dividend or not. So you have to just go through with all the theory that is given in the finance, so that if there is any question from finance department, you can definitely crack all the question. So I hope you are getting I want to say. So that is the 3 important chapters you have to do first. I am not saying that other things you have to not to do. For example, if the company is based on the derivatives, so from SFM of the CMA final, you have to do all the chapters of derivatives. So that is the important point I want to share. So your reading preparation may be differ from company to company, so you have to prepare accordingly. Here I am sharing some basic questions and some highlighted points of the topics that you have to do. Next important point is budget and banking. So that is the most important point you have to keep in mind, because many of the people are forgetting about the budget and banking. From budget, you have to first do about GST amendments. So that is the very important income tax amendments and GST amendments you have to do. From where you can download the amendments and all the income tax and GST amendment. So you have to visit the ICMAI's the website. You can visit about the supplementary that is issued by our institute. You can visit various Google forms available on the Google. So you have to visit all the website available on the Google, so that you can easily get the GST amendment and income tax amendment you have to do. Next point is GDP and the expenditure. For example, they may ask about what is the GDP expected for 2021-22. That kind of questions they may ask. What is the fiscal deficit? How much government is going to be expenditure in the upcoming financial year? That kind of questions they may definitely ask. For example, what is the difference between nominal GDP and what is the difference between real GDP? That kind of questions they may ask. If the interviewer want to evaluate at extreme level, even though you have to get to know about that basic things about GST and expenditure, about income tax amendment and GST amendment. So you have to do all the things. Next important point is taxation. In taxation, there are 2 types of taxation: income tax and GST. For income tax, basically you have to more focus on international taxation that is given in the CMA final. So that is the most important point you have to consider. After that, I have already shared, you have to prepare for the income tax amendment that is given by our institute in supplementary form, and you can visit the various forms available. In income tax, basically you have to do like a return, which kind of return you have to file, the latest due date you have to prepare, what are the due date in the upcoming month you have to prepare. That kind of questions they may ask in the interview. For example, you have did your articleship in interview, then they can definitely ask about ITR 1, ITR 2, ITR 3, ITR 4. That kind of question they definitely ask. And next point is TDS. TDS is very important in case of interview, so you have to prepare TDS point also very accurately. Next point is goods and service tax, that is GST. GST is also important for like what is the due dates in GST, which kind of returns you have to file, what is the difference between GSTR 1 and GSTR 2 and 2B. That kind of questions they may ask in the interview. Latest amendment you have to do from the GST. I hope you are getting what I want to say. So here I am giving some brief idea so that you can prepare accordingly. Next point is cost accounting. Cost accounting is most important, so you have to first understand what is cost accounting, how cost accounting is working, so that you can get an idea. Even if you don't know the answer of question that is based on the cost accounting, but if you have read all the points that are here I am mentioning, so that you can give a suitable answer, not a correct answer, but you may give at least suitable answer. So you have to prepare. First point is a basic definition that are given in the cost module. For example, what is the sunk cost, what is the imputed cost, that kind of questions they may ask in the interview. What is the difference between sunk cost and imputed cost, that kind of questions they may ask. So first you have to do a basic definition that is given in the module. Second point is non-integrated cost accounting. Why I have mentioned here not in non-integrated cost accounting? In our module, that is paper number 8, non-integrated cost accounting chapter is given. So you have to at least go through with the process. You are not required to do all the sums, but you are at least go through with the process, how cost accounting is working, why we are creating different type of ledger in non-integrated cost accounting, so that even if you don't know the answer of the questions that is asked in the interview, so that you can give a suitable answer. If you have read the non-integrated cost accounting chapter from paper number 8, then definitely it will be useful. So here I am giving you my opinion. Next point is material costing, that is also given in the paper number 8. So you have to prepare material costing as well. You are not required to do any sum, just you have to do the theory that is given in the cost accounting. Next important and very important is marginal costing. They may ask about what is the difference between marginal costing and absorption costing, why there is a difference in the profit in case of absorption costing and the marginal costing, what is the difference between marginal costing as well as the differential cost analysis, what is the usefulness of a differential cost analysis, that kind of questions they may ask in the interview. Next important point is standard costing. Standard costing very important, so you have to prepare. For example, what is the meaning of variance, why you have to explain the reason of variance. For example, there is a material variance, so you have to explain about the material variance, what are the cause of the material variance. They will not ask you about the formulas of material variance, but they may definitely ask about the reason for the variance. So that kind of questions they may ask. Next point is what is the difference between standard costing and expected cost. That may be a question there may be in the interview. So I hope you are getting what I want to say. So that is it from my side. So I hope this video is useful to you. You get some basic idea about how to do preparation for the cost accounting, taxation, banking and budget, financial accounting, financial, and all the things. You are getting what I want to say. So share this video once if you find that the video is useful. Then it's my request, please share this video in the one WhatsApp group or Telegram